Hello friends, thanks for purchasing the project file Spectacle Show. And after downloading your file, you will just extract on your location, computer location, and you will see two folders available into that folder. One is for documentation, where you will get all the information related to the project with the previews that we have used into the video, and some other stuffs you can see into documentation. And into the project folder you can have your project, like this is for your Adobe CS 5.5 version, and this is for CS6 version. So I just open this, and before this you make sure you go for readme first file and download this font and another font like Arial, Verdana and Script MD Bold, and these are comes with the After Effects CS6 pack version, so you don't need to download that. And but make sure Phonato font is downloaded, else it will show some error while opening. And this project after opening, and for changing logo you can go with the company logo and text. In the tagline you can change your tagline, and with the your logo comp you can change your logo with the available Inventor logo, and the make sure your logo is between this marker line, as that will make some issues in while previewing into the main video. And after done, just close it, and this is the main form. And for placing the images you can go with the placeholders. There are all the placeholders. You can select one, and here you can add your any images, like just go with the random image and just tag, and now you can drop it to the comp, and just like you can increase the size, and in the main comp then you can see preview will available with that images. So that's how you can add the image. And for the text title you can go with the text title and individually change the text of your individual placeholder. Like for 12 placeholder there are 12 text titles, you can see the numbers, so you change individually and that will pop up into this main comp. Like just type your title, and that will show into the main comp. You can see the main preview. And the next main important thing, the control of the colors. Like you don't need to go to individual comp or scenes. You can just change the color from here. Like if you want to make the color something yellow or something, anything, and you can change from here. If you want to change the spec color, you can change from here. And if you want to change some TV color, you can go with this. Sorry, you can go with the TV color from here. And similarly some frames we have available here, so you can change the frame color also. Like it's a brown, and you go for the full, you will see the similar color. This is how you can change the color and other things of your comp. And after finishing, just go with the composition and pre-render, as we have already added some main comp, but if it is deleted then you can create a main comp and go with the custom settings. Make it QuickTime, and make sure you select the audio output layer, click OK, and then go with the render. That's how you can achieve your spectacular show along with your images. Hope you understand all the things related to project. If anything else left you can drop the comment into the comment box. I will definitely solve that. Thank you. Thanks for watching.